Hey friends! Today we're going to learn how to make a simple tissue paper flower. You will need at least 4 sheets of 7 by 12 inch colored tissue paper, a green pipe cleaner, and a pair of scissors. Begin by placing the sheets on top of each other so their edges all line up. Then, beginning at the bottom edge, accordion fold your tissue paper like this. Each fold should be about 1 inch wide. Also, make sure that you crease each fold really well. Then, once your paper is all folded, use your scissors to round each end of the folded paper. Next, grab your pipe cleaner and wrap it around the tissue paper at its center. Make sure you wrap with enough length that roughly 1 centimeter extends past the tissue paper. That way you can twist the overhanging length into the flower's stem like this. Then you'll fan out each side of the flower and gently separate each piece of tissue paper from the others. Be sure to do this carefully so you don't tear the tissue paper. And that's it! Your flower's all done. Let's see if you can make a whole bouquet. Thanks for making a tissue paper flower with me today. I hope you had fun. Click like if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you here next time to have some more fun making art.